Redbubble is a platform for artists and designers to sell their products on the internet. Their goal is to democratize design by giving anyone with an idea the power to upload and share their work online. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can sell kids and baby clothes on Redbubble. Each year, Redbubble is launching new products you can put your designs on. And one of the newest products is kids and toddler pullover hoodies. With new additions to the standard kids and baby t-shirts, the variety is even more diverse and there is something for everyone. These t-shirts and hoodies are fun, cute and made with high quality material. They come in a variety of colors and designs that will please both children and parents. The issue is that many designers are not subscribed to Bumble Mail, which are official emails from Redbubble where you can read news, updates and much more. So sometimes they are missing newly launched products. With kids' clothes, there is also another problem. This is a hidden product. What do I mean by this? When you upload a design on Redbubble and enable it on products with kids' clothes and hoodies, you have to go into the subsection of t-shirts and manually enable it. To make it simpler, follow these steps. Go to your Redbubble account and click on your account logo. In the menu, select Manage Portfolio. Choose any of your designs and click on the Edit option. In the Edit section, scroll down until you see the standard print clothing products. Click on the Edit button and select the Availability and Markup tab. In this section, activate all products, including kids' clothes and kids and toddler pullover hoodies. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, check the box next to I have the right to sell product statement, and then click the Save Work button. Done. Your designs are now available on kids and toddlers' clothes. Redbubble has a large selection of unique hoodies that are guaranteed to keep your child warm, comfortable, and looking stylish. Your child will love wearing their new favorite hoodie every day. They come with a unisex fit and are made from an ethically sourced 60% cotton and 40% polyester mid-weight fleece. These comfortable kids hoodies are available in 5 colors: black, heather gray, navy, pink and purple. In my opinion, Redbubble is a great place to sell kids and baby clothes. There are a few reasons behind my statement. Firstly, not many designers don't know about these products. As I already mentioned, kids and toddler clothes are hidden and have to be enabled manually. This makes kids' clothes less saturated when you compare it to other products. The second reason is that you can set your own pricing for each product, including kids and baby clothes and hoodies. This gives you a way to be creative with pricing. Redbubble offers an online platform where people can upload their designs and sell them on the site. They have become one of the leading sites in the custom-made clothing industry because they offer a wide variety of products, from standard t-shirts, pillows, mugs, posters, to kids and baby clothes. When you take into account that the kids and baby clothes industry is booming, then enabling designs on kids products makes sense. Selling kids and baby clothes on Redbubble is a great way to have your products seen by people who are looking for them. It's an easy process to get started. You just need to upload your designs, set the price and choose which item you want to sell. And you can set an entire store around just for kids. Yes, it is a great time for designers to get creative and make some extra money by selling their artwork on kids and baby clothes on Redbubble. Thank you for watching, and if you have some question, then use the comment section below the video.